how to sign in to chess.com. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can sign in to chess.com. Now before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, open up your chess. After you open it up, you will need to sign in. To sign in, you'll see the sign up button on the top right. Tap on sign up. And on the top right again, you'll see the login option. Now, if you don't have an account, you can create your account from this page right here. But if you have an account, tap on login on the top right. After you tap on login, you will get different options. One is to log in with your Apple account. Other is to log in with your Google account. And third, you can log in with your Facebook account. For this video, we'll log in with our username or email and password. So go to your email, type in your username. After you type in your username, type in your password. After you type in a password, tap on login and you should get logged in into your account. So that is how you can log in into your chess.com account, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.